Hi, Mike at Conforms. We're going to talk about testing single wall pipe today. Again, single wall pipe is one metal that's heat treated or not. If it's heat treated, it's super hard on the inside of the pipe and gets softer as it wears, so the wear will accelerate. If it's just non-heat treated pipe, it'll have the same thickness, not thickness, but hardness the entire time. So it'll wear fairly linearly. Again, when we test single wall pipe, we're going to look at the opening, see if we see any differences here. This is a brand new pipe, so this will not have any funky wear that we need to make sure. As with testing all pipe, we're gonna check it like a compass, 4 points, north, south, east, west. To test single wall pipe, we can always use calipers, but we have to take something apart to do that. Single wall pipe is easier tested using an ultrasonic tester. This is one type. This is another type. As you can see, they both have a cord, a little sensor on it. These sensors have a little line on it. This little line is designed to go the length of the pipe. It also requires the use of a glycerin type gel or ultrasonic gel. You can buy this at a medical supply. You might also be able to buy it at your local drugstore, but you can also order it on Amazon. This gel, when we test the pipe, we're going to apply a little tiny bit to the pipe. We're going to take our tester, make sure we know where the line is, and we're going to set it on the pipe. It's then going to give us a value for the thickness in that spot. So at this point, millimeters, 6.69 millimeters is what it's testing. It could test a little off because of the paint. You can remove the paint if you like, but usually this is going to get us fairly close. Again, I do this in millimeters. It's an easier number to remember than a fraction of an inch. So record this. Again, we're going to check in 4 spots: top, bottom, left, right, north, south, east, west, like a compass. Record the lowest number. That's the value we're going to use for the minimum thickness, or the thickness on this pipe. We're then going to find out what is the minimum thickness we can achieve with this pipe to maintain a safe pressure for our pump. And that, whatever the lowest number is, if it meets that number, it's time to get that pipe out, new pipe on, and move on. If you have any questions on the minimum thickness of your pipe, you can contact Alliance. They can give you the minimum value of your pipe, whether it's single wall or twin wall. If you want to know the starting value, they can also get you the same data so that you can be safe operating your pump.